Chicago, AP. Jussie Smollett returned to court Wednesday for the first time in a year for a 5-hour hearing to determine whether one of the actor's attorneys should be allowed to keep representing him in his case against accusations that he staged a racist and homophobic attack against himself. The hearing had nothing to do with the charges against Smollett, who was accused of lying to police when he reported that 2 masked men attacked him in downtown Chicago in January 2019. But because the media and the public were not allowed to attend the hearing that began in the morning and lasted well into the afternoon, it was not clear exactly what was being said in the courtroom. When Cook County Judge James Lynn ordered the hearing, he said it centered on the question of whether Nenye Uche had a conflict of interest after 2 key witnesses in the case said they spoke to him. The witnesses in question are brothers who prosecutors said Smollett hired and paid to carry out what Smollett maintains was an attack. Jussie Smollett case review finds operational failures in prosecution but nothing criminal. Jussie Smollett indicted on new charges over alleged Chicago attack, attorney response. After Uche joined Smollett's legal team, Abimbola and Joe Asunero alleged that Uche had spoken with the previously representing them and talked to them about the case. That could result in the judge determining the attorney has a conflict of interest that would require him to bar him from representing Smollett. Uche has denied talking to the brothers. Lynn will announce his decision regarding Uche at a later date, said attorneys emerging from the private hearing late Wednesday. Gloria Schmidt-Rodriguez, an attorney for the Asuneros, told reporters they were confident the judge would rule with prosecutors and disqualify Uche. "I think enough evidence and proof was laid out today to support our position," she said. The hearing marks the latest twist in a case that has been full of them since Smollett, a black, gay man who starred in the television show Empire, told police that he was walking down the street in the middle of the night when 2 men attacked him, doused him with liquid and looped a makeshift noose around his neck before running off. What started as a search for Smollett's attackers turned into allegations by police that Smollett staged the whole thing to further his career. Smollett has maintained his innocence and has pleaded not guilty. But the allegations cost him his role on Empire, made him the source of ridicule from everyone from basketball analyst Charles Barkley to comedian Dave Chappelle. And his contention that his attackers told him he was in MAGA country, a reference to President Donald Trump's campaign slogan, "Make America Great Again," helped turn the incident into a national and international sensation. Smollett has had court hearings throughout 2020 and 2021, but they have not been held in person due to the COVID-19 pandemic.